This is the impressive 2026 Ford F-150 XLT four-wheel drive SuperCrew, engineered with a commanding 157-inch wheelbase and the legendary 3.5-liter V6 EcoBoost engine. Presented in a sharp Oxford white exterior with a refined medium dark slate cloth interior, this truck is designed to dominate the road with its electronic 10-speed automatic transmission. Book a test drive today at MSA Ford in the Fraser Valley Auto Mall, right here in Abbotsford. Whether you are towing the boat down to the Vedder River for a morning on the water or navigating the demanding grades of the valley, this F-150 is built for the task. It comes factory equipped with the black platform running boards for easy access and the Bedliner tough bed spray-in material to ensure your cargo box can handle the toughest hauls without a scratch. Step inside the cabin to discover a high-tech command center featuring a 12-inch center display and a matching 12-inch cluster display for vital vehicle data. The interior is protected by a floor liner tray with carpet mats, while the Sync 4 system with AppLink keeps you connected. With power door locks, windows, and dual sun visors with mirrors, every detail is focused on driver convenience. This F-150 is a powerhouse of utility, boasting a 7,200-pound gross vehicle weight rating and a dedicated tow and haul package. Safety is integrated into every mile with the blind spot information system with cross-traffic alert, lane keeping system, and pre-collision assist with automatic emergency braking. The four-wheel drive system is bolstered by a 3.55 electronic locking axle for uncompromising traction. A common question we hear is how this truck manages heavy loads on steep inclines. According to the factory specifications, this model includes a built-in trailer brake controller and a Class 4 trailer hitch, providing you with the integrated tools necessary for precise control and confidence while towing at the limit of its 7,200-pound gross vehicle weight rating.